Ever wondered if the creators of The Simpsons have a time machine? Quite a curious thought, isn't it? But when you consider the uncanny accuracy of this animated television show's predictions, you may start to believe that something extraordinary is at play. Let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. The Simpsons, a show that's been on the air for over 3 decades, has an intriguing knack for predicting the future. It's a phenomenon that's left many viewers scratching their heads in astonishment. Just think about it. Do you remember when the show predicted Donald Trump's presidency? Back in the year 2000, a full 16 years before Trump took office, an episode titled Bart to the Future showcased a world where Lisa Simpson, as president, inherited a budget crunch from her predecessor, none other than Donald Trump. And it doesn't stop there. The show also seemingly predicted the discovery of the Higgs boson particle, often referred to as the God particle. In a 1998 episode, Homer Simpson is seen standing in front of a blackboard with an equation. Fast forward 14 years, and scientists discover the Higgs boson particle, the calculation for which eerily matches Homer's chalkboard scribbles. These are but 2 instances in a long list of eerily accurate predictions. They make you wonder if there's a crystal ball hidden somewhere in the writer's room, doesn't it? Or maybe, just maybe, they do have a time machine. But today, we delve into their latest prediction for 2024, specifically for the United Arab Emirates. Buckle up, because this is going to be a fascinating journey into the world of predictive animation. The Simpsons' foresight has been on display since the early years of the show. Like a modern-day Nostradamus, this animated sitcom has been churning out predictions with startling accuracy. Shall we take a walk down memory lane? Let's step back to the late 80s, when this yellow-skinned family made their debut. The year was 1989, and the Berlin Wall came crashing down. Lo and behold, an episode that aired just a few months earlier showed our beloved Simpsons travelling to Germany with the wall nowhere in sight. Fast forward to the new millennium, the year 2000. An episode titled Bart to the Future showed us a world where Lisa Simpson, the intellectual and often overlooked middle child, is the President of the United States. And who did she replace? A certain business tycoon who wouldn't actually become president for another 16 years. Talk about being ahead of the curve. And then we move to 2008, where Homer tries to vote for Barack Obama in the US elections, but the voting machine keeps changing his vote. 4 years later, a similar incident occurred in Pennsylvania, causing a stir in the real world. In 2012, Lady Gaga performed a concert for the citizens of Springfield while suspended in the air. Fast forward to the Super Bowl halftime show in 2017, and you'll see Lady Gaga doing the same thing. These uncanny predictions are not just limited to global events and pop culture. The Simpsons have also remarkably predicted technological advances. Remember the Lisa's Wedding episode from 1995? It showcased smartwatches, a concept that wouldn't hit the markets until almost 2 decades later. As we approach 2024, their latest prediction for the UAE has us all intrigued. What could the Simpsons have in store for us this time? Only time will tell. The United Arab Emirates, known for its futuristic vision and architectural marvels, is the subject of The Simpsons' latest prediction. The animated series, after all, has a knack for looking into the crystal ball and foreseeing what lies ahead. So what's the scoop on the UAE in 2024, according to our favourite Springfield residents? The show's prediction paints a picture of a UAE that continues to push the boundaries of innovation and sustainability. It hints at a nation that's not just content with being a global hub for business and tourism, but one that's set on reshaping the world's perception of what's possible. From Hyperloop systems that link all 7 Emirates to skyscrapers that dwarf the Burj Khalifa, the prediction is as audacious as it is intriguing. But why would the Simpsons choose the UAE for their latest prediction? Well, the UAE has always been a land of ambition and transformation. From a desert landscape to a bustling metropolis in less than half a century, the nation's journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. The Simpsons, in their own satirical way, might simply be acknowledging the UAE's relentless pursuit of progress and innovation. However, like all Simpsons predictions, it's important to take this with a pinch of humour. The show has had its fair share of hits and misses, While it accurately predicted Donald Trump's presidency and Disney's acquisition of Fox, it also predicted hover cars and instantaneous transportation by 2020, technologies that are yet to come to fruition. Nevertheless, The Simpsons' predictions have a way of sparking conversations and inspiring us to think about the future. The 2024 UAE prediction is no different. It encourages us to imagine a world where the impossible becomes possible, where innovation knows no bounds, and where the UAE continues to stand as a beacon of progress and prosperity. Could The Simpsons' UAE prediction for 2024 be another one for the books? Only time will tell. Let's dive deeper into what this 2024 UAE prediction might mean. The Simpsons' forecast for the United Arab Emirates in 2024 is as intriguing as it is mysterious. As we try to decipher this, we must first remember that the show has a knack for capturing global trends in its episodes. This potential prediction could be a reflection of the UAE's rapid growth and development. The country, known for its skyscrapers and high-tech cities, has been making strides in various sectors, from renewable energy to space exploration. If The Simpsons' prediction is anything to go by, we could be looking at a significant leap in the country's progress. But what could this leap entail? We can only speculate. Given the show's previous predictions, it could be anything from groundbreaking technological advancements to geopolitical shifts. In the past, The Simpsons have accurately predicted events such as the Trump presidency and the Disney-Fox merger, events that significantly impacted the world. Could the 2024 prediction suggest a similar global impact, originating from the UAE? Drawing parallels with the past, we might recall how The Simpsons' prediction of smartwatches, once a wild fantasy, is now an everyday reality. Similarly, their depiction of the UAE could be a hint towards something that seems far-fetched now, but could become a part of our daily lives in the future. This could be in the realm of sustainable technologies, space travel, or even a new form of governance. Let's also consider the broader implications. The UAE, being a significant player in the Middle East, plays a crucial role in global affairs. Any major changes there could ripple across the globe, influencing everything from international politics to global markets. However, as tantalizing as these prospects are, we must remember that The Simpsons' predictions, while often accurate, are not a crystal ball. The show's writers are not prophets, but keen observers of societal trends. They weave these observations into their narratives, sometimes hitting the mark with uncanny precision. Only time will tell if this prediction will join the ranks of The Simpsons' eerily accurate prophecies. The Simpsons' predictions have become a cultural phenomenon, sparking curiosity and debates worldwide. Over the course of this video, we've delved into the uncanny accuracy of these predictions, from the ones that have eerily come true to the most recent one about the United Arab Emirates' future in 2024. We began by exploring the intriguing question: are the creators of The Simpsons prophets, or is this pure coincidence? We looked at some of the most notable predictions that have come true over the years, adding fuel to this fascinating debate. From correctly predicting the presidency of Donald Trump to foreseeing Disney's acquisition of 20th Century Fox, The Simpsons seems to have a knack for seeing into the future. We then took a chronological glimpse into the series, noting how its predictions have evolved and become more complex over time. This evolution has only heightened the curiosity and speculation surrounding the show's prophetic abilities. We also delved into the show's latest prediction: the future of the UAE in 2024. In our deeper analysis, we considered the cultural impact and significance of The Simpsons' predictions. These aren't just a series of lucky guesses or clever scriptwriting. They've become a part of our cultural discourse, fueling discussions and debates about the nature of prediction, coincidence, and the power of media. We also pondered the potential implications if the UAE prediction comes true. Could it influence the country's economic landscape? Might it affect global relations? These questions only serve to highlight the far-reaching impact and intrigue of these predictions. Whether you believe The Simpsons creators are time travelers or just lucky guessers, one thing is certain: their predictions continue to both amuse and astound us. So, What do you think about this latest prediction for the UAE in 2024? Is it another prophecy waiting to unfold?